The Embrace Backlit push-fit fabric display is a sleek, illuminated collapsible display. The Backlit Embrace makes it simple to make a big impact in minutes. Begin with the Backlit scissor frame, expanding it flat out on the floor, and begin carefully snapping in the locking arms. Gather all the bungee channel bars and slide them together, connecting them to the outside of the frame. Lift the frame up and connect the back channel bars along with the end cap channel bars to finish. Attach the stabilizing bases on the frames that are 3 quads high or taller. Secure them by sliding them into place. Gather all the lighting strips and align so that they are over each X of the frame. Then pull the spring-loaded clip apart to fit onto the X. Make sure the orientation of the male and female connectors allows for linking them together. Connect the long extension cord to the female end of the top light strips in series. Run the long extension cord down the side. Attach the extension cord from the top row of lights to the first power supply. Attach the first power supply directly to the second power supply. Then, attach the power cord to the second power supply and plug in the power cord to test the lighting. Complete setup by attaching the front graphic, feeding the SEG beading into the channel bars, and wrapping taut around the end caps. Attach the opaque liner to the back of the frame. Plug in to Illuminate.